How to create a new custom gesture on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Touch. Then tap on Assistive Touch at the top. Next, go down to the Custom Gesture section and then tap on Create New Gesture. From here, you can create your custom gesture. So for example, if I use 3 fingers and double tap, I can do this. So double tap on the screen with 3 fingers. If you make a mistake, you can cancel and then just tap on it to do another one. So here you can see it does not work well, so I'm going to cancel and create another one. So I'm going to tap twice with 3 fingers and then tap on saved. And then here I can say 3 fingers, double tap. So 3 fingers, double tap, then that's saved. Okay, so after that, now I can go back to my assistive touch. And here, if I say double tap, at the moment I do not have any gesture assigned to it, so I can assign to double tap. So if I tap on that, and then I go down to my custom section, so custom gestures here, and I'll choose 3 fingers, double tap. And now you can see that if I double tap on this button here, it will perform 3 fingers, double tap on the screen. So if I double tap on that, you can see here it shows 3 fingers, double tap. And there it is. And that is how you can create a new custom gesture on the iPhone 16 series. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.